This morning, Senator Roland Burris not only faces pressure to resign, he also faces investigations into whether he committed perjury, whether he lied while under oath before the Illinois House Impeachment Committee. The top story today, Thomas Glasgow is a former Cook County State's attorney, now in private practice, and he joins us here this morning to talk more about the legal side of everything. Good morning. Always good to see you.
Good morning.
Now, first of all, I want to play the testimony for everybody and have Thomas take a look at this. That has Burris in all of this hot water to begin with. It is from January 8th before State House Impeachment Committee. Take a listen.
Did you talk to any members of the governor's staff or anyone closely related to the governor, including family members or any lobbyists connected with them, including, let me throw out some names, John Harris, Rod Blagojevich, Doug Schofield, Bob Greenlee, Lon Monk, John Wyma? Did you talk to anybody who was associated with the governor about your desire to seek the appointment prior to the governor's arrest?
Give me a moment.
I talked to some friends about my desire to be appointed, yes.
And of course, in light of what Burris has said now, is he did in fact speak to Blagojevich's brother before all of that. So is that perjury? Did he perjure himself?
Well, he goes on to say that he talked with Lon Monk and further questions. What perjury is when you're under oath and you end up telling a lie. It's very simple. However, in this case, the question that was asked by the representative during the course of this was a very long, very convoluted question that may or may not have been enough to put him into a perjurous statement. The problem with the law is that the law puts the burden on the questioner and not the person answering. And in this case, Senator Burris didn't give all the information. He didn't directly contradict himself during the course of a testimonial statement, but he just left out information.
Well, he did give a very brief comment.
He did.
Yeah.
He said he talked with friends, which could be interpreted as, yes, I spoke with all those people. But Representative Durkin then went on to ask another question that was a compound question that he was asked during the course of this particular question. The remainder of the questions, he ends up being asked whether or not he had any conversations with other people or such, and that's when he went into Lon Monk. There was rapid-fire questions. Is it a defense? Yes, I think it probably is. Is it a perjury case? I think it's probably a weak perjury case at best.
So now the Sangamon County State's Attorney has been asked to look into this. What is he looking for?
He's looking for the same things that we're talking about, whether or not those questions were equivocable enough that it would absolve Senator Burris from any perjury. A direct question, you know, what color dress you were wearing, and you tell me blue would be a direct lie. Whereas, do you have a dress? I don't know. I don't have any other dresses at home. It's another thing entirely. It's a horse of a different color. So the question is, did he commit a criminal act? Probably not. I think the bigger issue is why he didn't come out with this right away.
Yes.
And why he waited so long and waited until after his appointment to clarify his statement. It really puts his credibility in a bad light.
And now we're going to have to wait and find that out as well. Thomas, thank you so much for joining us this morning.